I've had some pretty dark foils, but yeah, this is borderline some of the darkest and dingiest foiling I've ever done. Lovely 20 knots though. Woo! It was awesome out there. Had a bunch of fun. You can see there on the beach the port's lit up. This is Port Taranaki. It'd be perfect for a night foil. There's actually lights on both sides, and you get, when it's dead on shore, you get a golden river sort of going across the harbour that way, and you just sail up and down through the lights, which is wicked. There we go. Dead on shore, northerly, about 20 knots, fully maxed on the 6. Lovely night to go wing foiling.